Hello good people, today I'm gonna unboxing Evanda dinner knives, 12 pieces. This is made in China, you can see from the box. This is like this, the tape. This. So each knives they put on plastic. Let's see the quality. It's long. It's proper. I want to use this for like a butter dinner. Not steak knife. I have steak knife. Butter dinner. Pieces. So like that. Okay. I take off some, and I want to compare it to my another knife. That my normal knife I bought for what's the name, butter, small and light, and this is heavy. It's proper made stainless steel, good, very good quality, proper stainless steel, heavy and long. It's like a hotel or restaurant quality, so I'm so pleased with the quality. The price was 13 pound, I think 13 or 14 pound, but worth money. So each around 1 pound, around 1 pound like that over, but really good quality, so why not buy for a little bit. You pay what you get. Little bit expensive, but the quality is proper stainless steel, not just cheap, but you know the quality is very good. So hope you like my video. See you for the next video. Bye bye.